To improve your English, you can follow these steps. 1. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to practice reading, writing, speaking, and listening in English. 2. Read in English. Choose books, articles, or online content that interests you. It helps to start with simpler texts and gradually move to more complex material. 3. Watch movies and TV shows. Watching English language media with subtitles can help you understand pronunciation, vocabulary, and expressions. 4. Speak as much as possible. Try to have conversations in English. You can practice with native speakers or language exchange partners. Speaking regularly will improve your fluency and confidence. 5. Listen to podcasts and music. Engage with audio content in English. This can help you become familiar with different accents and everyday vocabulary. 6. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words and phrases you encounter and review them regularly to reinforce your memory. 7. Use language learning apps. There are many apps like Duolingo, Barbell, or Memrise that can help improve your grammar, vocabulary, and speaking skills. 8. Take classes or find a tutor. If possible, enroll in English classes or find a tutor to guide you through the learning process. 9. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This will help you become more fluent over time. By combining these methods, you'll improve your English skills step by step.